One of the world's best spinal surgery clinics is located in Seoul, Korea, conducting minimal invasive spinal surgery.
I'm Julia Hong, manager at International Patient Center of WOORIDUL Spine Hospital in South Korea. Our hospital is specialized in spine and joints, and lots of patients coming from outside, more than 62 countries. First, we collect all the data from the patients, MRI, X-ray, and medical history, and the doctor review everything. After that, we provide a medical plan for the patients. If the patients decide to come to our hospital, we provide a pick-up service. Nearby, lots of luxurious hotel and spas. In terms of the cost, our hospital less than 50% or 70% less than in the United States. That's why it's a very attractive reason the patients come to our hospital. Now I would like to introduce our chief manager of our center. He's Dr. Junho Lee. He trained lots of doctors from Indonesia, Hong Kong, States, and he has very advanced techniques, so he will introduce about our techniques as well.
Patients worldwide are treated through this International Patient Center. And now we have an opportunity to meet Dr. Jun Lee. And Dr. Jun Lee,
yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you here.
Really nice to have you on our TV show. We are very interested in, I know that you have award-winning specialties, and people come from around the world to this hospital. What would you say is your expertise that we should know when we walk away from you today? What will we know that you can do for people?
Well, first of all, thanks for the big compliments. So it's my pretty kind of honor to be introduced in your network in this way. So my specialty I actually major in the neurosurgery, in the spine surgery mostly, and my major specialty is related to the minimal invasive treatment surgically for these patients suffering from the very debilitating or disabling severe spine disease. Because the most well-known or what's conservative way of the treatment is related to some kind of open incisional procedures, and mostly held in worldwide. But we are giving some something difficult and something more different from other hospital or institutes or way of performing these surgeries in more minimal invasive way to help the patient get a more beneficial effect, as much as like a conventional surgery does, with the more early recovery related to this way of minimal invasive treatment. I've been trying to present my series of work demonstrating the American conference and the congresses, but the thing is that in the United States it's a proven procedure yet.
So you're saying they would do an invasive surgery
to
solve the same problem that you would do with a needles or
yeah, that's true. Endoscopic. That's what I'm calling. What can be solved in some more minimal invasive way.
Nothing is more impressive than a real testimony.
Good morning. My name is Saleh Khamis Hamed Balsharam. I am from United Arab Emirates, exactly from Abu Dhabi city. I knew about the hospital here through the hospitals in our country. To be honest, I was little bit reluctant to come to Korea, although I came before for a different business. I was thinking to go toward Europe, toward German or UK. But when I came here, really, I was surprised. They are really doing very good treatment. And I wish the other organizations, even in my country itself, to use the same methodology and the same system which this organization is doing. I'm not talking only about me, I'm talking about what I see here in general. I think they are doing an excellent job. They are effective and efficient. You don't see any waste of time or waste of effort or waste of everything. It's in the right place. What I like about the system here, that first of all, you find the teamwork and you find a lot of integration between the different units. I wish all the medical organizations all over the world to go and to use the same system which this organization is using.
I want to thank you, Dr. Lee.
Yes.
This was very informative, and you can see that some of the procedures that you can do when you come here to Korea.
Yeah, probably I can be also good help for the patient also in the United States. Can be treated in this way, yeah.
For more information, please visit our website www.wooridul.com.
Stay tuned now for much more on medical tourism overseas.